Maintaining the healthy well-being of a society is paramount in creating a productive and economically prosperous nation. It's the birthright of every Indian to get quality healthcare at reasonable costs. But unfortunately, majority of the people in Mumbai and across India can't even afford basic healthcare services and insurance due to the spiraling cost of private healthcare in India and lack of space and attention in overcrowded government hospitals. GSBS Medical Trust has been providing quality medical diagnostic services and preventive healthcare at concessional rates for the past 40 years.
I believe that even though a person may not be affording, he has a right to receive good quality medical care. Our services are at very reasonable rates, less than half of what you would pay in the private sector. Quality is still up to the mark.
Preventive healthcare has been our founding principle since our inception in 1960s. A group of enterprising men from the social Gaud Saraswat Brahmin Sangh group felt the genuine need for providing quality medical services at reasonable cost. This led to the birth of the GSBS Medical Trust. From a humble beginning in the late 60s by organizing annual immunization drive against cholera. 4 decades later, we are a full-fledged healthcare diagnostic and preventive healthcare facility with 4 centers in Mumbai having successfully served 1.5 million people. Strategically located at Dadar in central Mumbai, GSBS Medical Trust is one of the very few trusts run by doctors with the sole intention of serving people. The trust charter requires that the majority of the trust members and the president must be doctors. This helps to ensure the highest quality of services and equipment. Also, the trustees are better able to create an atmosphere of empathy and comfort to the ailing patients.
None of the trustees or any of the members who voluntarily work here in the executive committee or in any other form take any monetary remuneration from the trust, not even an honorarium.
Our team comprises of 100 visiting super specialists, the same doctors who work in the best private hospitals across Mumbai. They give undivided attention in diagnosing the problem and advising corrective measures.
चांगले डॉक्टर्स वगैरे आहेत इथे आणि चांगली फॅसिलिटीज पण मिळते with a reasonable rate.
Our highly efficient staff put in their best efforts to make the patient and family at ease and go through the treatment process smoothly.
The staff at GSBS is fantastic. They are so cooperative and so nice. Like, you know, we feel a homely atmosphere.
We have never compromised on the quality of the equipment. We take the best efforts to make sure that we use good quality equipment, but we make sure that our equipment is updated.
We have state-of-the-art equipment as any private hospital. Our pathology laboratory's quality control is set at the highest standards and is ensured by regular testing of standard samples from approved agencies. Our services include X-ray procedures, EEG, stress test, PFT, gastroscopy, colonoscopy, 2D echo, sonography, mammography, ECG, OPG, cephalogram, pathology tests, ambulatory BP, Holter monitor, allergy test. We have a state-of-the-art dental laboratory making high-quality dentures, bridges, caps in acrylic and ceramic. We have tie-ups with MRI centers and other hospitals for tests involving high-cost equipment. These tests are done at a discount of 50%. At our modern Dadar center, we conduct pre-insurance medical investigations for leading insurance companies and corporates. We have company tie-ups with Saraswat Cooperative Bank Limited, NKGSB Bank Limited, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, Syndicate Bank, Franco-Indian Pharmaceuticals, Griffon Lab, Hindustan Infrastructure Projects and Engineering Private Limited, SciCom Limited. Strategic location, highly experienced doctors, state-of-the-art technology makes GSBS Medical Trust the ideal destination for quality diagnostic and preventive healthcare.
I would recommend people to go to GSBS because we have lots of facilities, the staff is good and they treat everybody very nicely.
I will definitely recommend this place to a lot of people, especially because in terms of the service, and the major factor is also the price. It's really affordable.
The corporate companies, I would like to tell them that we would like you to stand shoulder and shoulder to us. I know that all corporates today have a corporate service responsibility and we are there to help you achieve it. You have the means, you have the money, but you may not know how to implement it. So we can do it on your behalf. If you can give us funds, we can implement these things for you. The other thing I think you understand, and I emphasized this earlier, is the fact about prevention. You have employees and you want them to be in the best of health. So we are there to offer preventive packages for your employees. You can send them every year, you can send them every 5 years. We are willing to do tie-ups with you for the tests that you want at reasonable rates so that we can ensure that your employees are at their best physical and mental health so that they can serve you. We can also do pre-employment checkups. When you take an employee, you would like to ensure that he is in the best of health so that he can serve you. We also do pre-employment checkup and we can devise packages as per your needs. The GSBS Medical Trust, the focus is very clear. Our focus is to serve society, to serve our fellow man. And the only thing we get out of this is a satisfaction, a deep sense of satisfaction that we are helping our fellow man. That's all that we are asking for, and that's what all the doctors who work for this trust and all the others who are working for the trust get. I think that is our biggest reward. We don't need anything else.
GSBS Medical Trust, rendering affordable and accessible quality healthcare.